Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to find whether a number is prime or composite. This rule usually comes handy when we solve questions that involve prime factorization and we get stuck at a point where there is a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number. We are not sure whether it is prime or composite. So the rule goes like this. A number n is prime if it is not divisible by any prime number less than or equal to root of n. So to understand this, I'm taking an example of 221. So if we would like to know whether 221 is prime or not, there are so many numbers through which by which this 221 can get divided. So we boil it down to this rule where we take the root of 221, which is approximately equal to 14.8. I have made another video to explain how to find the square root of such large numbers. You can check it out. And now you can see the square root of 221 is approximately equal to 14.8. Now, what are all the numbers that are less than 14.8? What are all the prime numbers that are less than 14.8? We know 2 and 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So these are all the prime numbers that are less than 14.8. Now we have to do divisibility checks for each of this. And if none of this actually divide 221, then 221 is a prime number. So this is what we do. Of course, for 2, we know if it ends with 1, it cannot be divisible by 2. For 3, we add all the 3 digits. 2 plus 2 plus 1, we get 5. So again, it is not divisible by 3. So like that, we have divisibility tests for all these numbers, which again has been attached in a separate video. So let us try the divisibility for 13. So how that works is 221, you take the last number 1 and multiply it by 4 and add it to the remaining numbers, this 22. So now when we do this, we get 26. If 26 is divisible by 13, then the original number 221 is also divisible by 13. So therefore, since this given number is divisible by 13, it is a composite number. So this concept can be better understood if you watch divisibility tests in the beginning and then come to this.